Students, we are doing questions from Concepts of Physics by HCVERMA, Volume 1, Chapter 3, Rest Motion Kinematics, and we are doing Objective 2. Here is the seventh question. Mark the correct statements. The magnitude of velocity of a particle is equal to its speed. We have to mark the correct statement only. Magnitude of velocity of a particle is equal to its speed. Velocity, you know, it is a vector quantity. It is having both magnitude as well as direction. So magnitude of here is not asking about velocity or average velocity. He is asking only about velocity, not average velocity. Therefore, the magnitude of velocity is referring to speed. That is a true statement. Speed is a scalar quantity. It is having only magnitude. Therefore, first statement is true. The magnitude of average velocity in an interval equal to its average speed in that interval. There is a problem with the students. Suppose this is the initial point. I go in a circular way path and I come back and this is the final point. Then my displacement is equal to 0. Therefore, average velocity is also is equal to 0. That is average speed is, for this situation, it can be distance divided by time, which need not be equal to 0 because the particle has come back to its position. This is not true. Now, is it possible to have a situation in which speed of the particle is always 0 but the average speed is not 0? Speed of the particle is 0 means that it is not moving at all. Distance covered is 0. But average speed is not 0 means that what? Average speed is not 0 means that it has covered some distance. But the first statement is denying that. Therefore, this is also not possible. Is it possible to have a situation in which speed of the particle is never 0? Speed is not 0. But average speed in the interval is 0. This is not possible. If a particle is moving and it is covering certain distance means that its average speed cannot be 0. Therefore, this is also not true, students. Only statement A is correct. I hope it is clear to you, students.